Hello, everyone. Welcome to September 17th science video today. What we're going to be talking about today is significant figures. Okay. Uh, and then at the end, I posted an assignment for you guys to do, uh, including virtual students. All right. That's for you guys. Um, so, significant figures is a new topic we're going to be talking about. Okay. And I have a little presentation with some examples, and then we're going to move on. All right. So first, if you guys would like to copy this, that would be great. All right, so non-zero integers. So every non-zero digit is significant. So that means a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All of those numbers are significant. So if I look at my first example, 3, 4, 5, 6, that has 4 significant figures. Okay. Now, the tricky part is when you start to get to zeros, all right? Zeros are very tricky. So we're going to be talking about leading zeros, middle zeros, and trailing zeros. So leading zeros are where the zeros are in front, okay? Those do not count. So I can get rid of that, where 486 counts. So I have 3 sig figs. All right? In my next video, or next question, all my leading zeros. Leading never counts. So all I have is a 9 and a 9. 2. Okay, so leading zeros never count. Sandwich zeros always count. We love the sandwich zeros, the middle ones. They always, always, always count. So 16.01 has that sandwich zero count, so that's 4. 7003. All right, both of those are sandwiched, so that has 4. If you need to pause the video at any time, you can to catch up with notes. Okay. Trailing zeros. This is big. Trailing zeros are significant only if the number contains a decimal point. Okay. So 300, there is not a decimal point. So those zeros are not significant. So I only have 1, the 3. 7,000. Once again, only the 7 because there is not a decimal. So 1. Oh, why does it say 3? I need to fix that. There should only be 1 sig fig. And then 27,210. All right, 27, 21. Those count, so that has 4. All right. I want you guys to take a little practice, so pause the video and try these out. Okay. Hopefully you guys paused it. So here are your answers. Okay. Here are your answers. Hopefully you got most of them right, or you can figure out what you might have missed, okay? So when multiplying and dividing, the number of significant figures you need to round the answer to the same number of significant as the measurement with the least number of sig figs. That's a lot of words. So basically what it is 6.38 has 3 sig figs. 2.0 has 2 sig figs. So when trying to solve this problem, you're going to multiply those. Plug it into the calculator. Okay. When you plug it into the calculator, you get 12.76. Now, how many sig figs does 6.38 have? Very good, 3. How many sig figs does 2.0 have? 2. So since 2.0 has 2 sig figs, I have to round my answer to 2 sig figs. So 12.7, does 7 round up or down? Very good, it rounds up. So my 12 is going to increase to 13. 13, because I only need 2 sig figs. Last but not least is addition or subtraction. All right, so the answer to an additional or subtraction calculation should be rounded to the same number of decimal places, not digits, we're not doing digits, same number of decimal places as the measurement with the least number of decimal places. So which one has less decimal places? Well, clearly the 6.8. So I'm going to round my number to 1 decimal place after the decimal. Okay. So my answer is 18.734, but when I round it, that 3 rounds down, so my answer is 18.7. Okay. Okay, hopefully those rules started to make sense a little bit. Um, if you need a little extra practice, I would suggest watching a Khan Academy video. Those are super, super helpful to solving these types of problems. I did post an assignment in the classwork tab, so if you guys would like to go over there and complete that. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I will try to respond to that as fast as possible. But if you guys have nothing for me, I hope you have a great day. You guys are awesome, and we will see you tomorrow.